Alright guys, so right now we're going to be going ahead and mowing the lawn. Unfortunately, my dad wasn't here to teach me how to mow the lawn, so I had to learn how to do it on YouTube, so I was self-taught, you know. You know, my dad was too busy fighting in the Vietnam War. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get this baby started and start mowing the lawn. So first thing you're going to do is just hold on this lever, and then you pull it. Pull it until it starts. I don't know what to say, guys. I kind of messed up the lawn. You see that? It's all no grass, all dirt.
The next day.
Alright guys, we're out on the lake now. We're about to go fish for some largemouth. Probably catch some pike too. Gonna move us around. Cast that way. Left. This one? Oh, nice. Fast. Alright, first fish today, caught on it was like a shad glide bait color. It just felt like it was nibbling, that was it.
Oh, nice.
Another pike.
Yeah.
I found them. They're all sitting in the grass over around here. Let's see if we can catch them. Pike.
Yeah, they are just nibbling you.
Yeah, I felt them hitting for a while. I was wondering why. Like I felt some nibbling. Yeah, I'll take the net. Oh yeah, this is a bigger one though.
I got you.
Oh yeah. That's a bigger one. Oh yeah, team no skunk. Alright. I'm gonna release him.
I'll just show you.
I know I did. It's just awkward a way to hold it, so. Alright guys, there's a dying crappie somewhere. Where is it at?
There.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
I told you it was a crappie.
Dude, but it's like rotting though, it's weird.
Yeah. It's probably got some disease. You get it? No, not yet.
Now I got it. Oh, it just looks normal.
No, it is rotting.
Is it?
Yeah, it's white.
Here, you can take it.
Check out the mold and stuff on this crappie, yeah. Pretty nasty. See that on there? Alright guys, we're in lake number 3 now because the other lake was kind of trash. Only caught 3 fish, that was 3 pike. So yeah, that's where we caught the 5-pounder just before. It's like 2 days after. So yeah, let's see if we can get any pickings today. We're with Andrew, and yeah, he's coming later with the kayak. And yeah, stay tuned guys.
Nice. It's a pike probably. It's big, dude.
Take it easy. You don't know how good this hook is.
It's big. It's really big. It's, oh, dude. Oh, dude, it's fat though.
No, it could be a bass.
No, it's a pike. It's a pike. I saw it.
I don't know.
It looked like it could be.
It's a pike. I saw it. Dude, it's huge. Dude, you see that? It's decent. Nice. I guess you were in line. They are over there. Oh.
They what?
They are over there.
Yeah, I told you. They're in the weed line.
Alright, Andrew's decent one. That's like a 23-inch probably pike.
A few moments later.
Oh, what? Kid's just lost his DJI in the water? Dang it, we gotta go back for him and help him. Ooh, yeah, hey, hey, oh, yeah, hey, hey, ooh, yeah, hey, hey, oh, yeah, hey. Alright guys, so then Andrew only caught that one pike at that lake, and now we're coming back to do some smallie fishing.
Shit. What?
Alright, Keith, you want to explain how you lost your DJI in the water?
I was switching my batteries, but then I put it in a really bad position. And I didn't want to risk standing up. And then I was trying to use my paddle to open the little hatch in front of me. And then, I don't know, I think I was reaching for my paddle because it was going in the water. And then I dropped. I went like this and then just dropped. I let go of my DJI like a noob.
Oh yeah, keep his own. That's a nice one. On the map? Okay. Nice. Pretty good one. Chunky.
Not as chunky as last year.
Yeah, it's just pretty long.
Many hours later.
So, you want to explain how you caught that fish, huh?
Yeah, I was just messing around. I was on the T-rig. Oh dang. Dude, they're pretty fun. They're pretty fat, dude.